reach out, their secrets keep. They anchor straw, white anchors do, and drink up water pure and true. Above the ground, the stem stands tall, supporting the leaves so they won't fall. It's like a tower reaching high to touch the clouds in the sky. Now let's talk about the leaves so green. They're like little factories you've seen. They take in sunlight, a brilliant ray, and turn it into food all day. And what's this poking out with glee? Wait, it's a bud, just wait and see. It holds a flower colorful and bright, a rainbow burst of pure delight. But wait, there's more, a hidden prize within the flower. Sweet surprise, the fruit grows ripe, a tasty treat, juicy and delicious.